KoffeeSwap Crypto Swap Platform Review Usage Experience. Links to KoffeeSwap are in the description. KoffeeSwap is a decentralized exchange, DEX, built on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, designed to offer fast, low-cost, and secure token swaps for traders, liquidity providers, and DeFi enthusiasts. The platform aims to make swapping simple and efficient, with a focus on user-friendly interface and decentralized control, giving users full autonomy over their assets without relying on intermediaries. One of the main features of KoffeeSwap is its automated market maker, AMM, which facilitates token swaps directly from your wallet, bypassing the need for order books or third-party custodians. This ensures faster and more efficient trades with lower slippage. It also supports a wide range of BSC-based tokens, making it a versatile option for anyone involved in the BSC ecosystem. KoffeeSwap is particularly appealing for those looking to earn passive income through liquidity pools. By providing liquidity to the platform, users can earn rewards in the form of KoffeeSwap's native token, Coffee, which is used for staking and governance. This means token holders can also participate in decision-making processes that shape the platform's future. Additionally, the platform's low transaction fees make it an attractive choice for those who want to minimize costs associated with swaps. The simple interface also makes it easy for beginners to navigate, while more experienced traders will appreciate the platform's high liquidity and fast transactions. Security is a priority, as KoffeeSwap operates entirely on smart contracts, meaning users maintain control over their funds throughout the process. There is no KYC required, offering privacy-conscious traders a way to remain anonymous while swapping assets. KoffeeSwap is best suited for DeFi enthusiasts, liquidity providers, and crypto traders who are looking for a fast, low-cost, and decentralized platform with ample earning opportunities through staking and liquidity pools. In conclusion, KoffeeSwap offers a secure, efficient, and low-fee swapping experience, with added benefits for liquidity providers and token holders. Links to KoffeeSwap are in the description.